Okay, so I kicked things off with 2 giant granny squares. And if you want to make your own, I've got a full step-by-step video waiting for you. Then I went ahead and sewed the top corners and bottom corners together. That's how the neckline started to take shape. The opening around the neck was a bit too big, so I stitched it up slightly, and it made such a difference. I went ahead and sewed the bottom edges together to make the sleeves. This step really brought everything together. Here's how it looked once the sleeves were done. Later on, I added just a bit more length, just a couple extra rows to even things out. At this stage, the back was still totally open, the project was just starting to take shape. So I crocheted around the chest and back area, but left the sleeves alone. I loved watching it grow with every stitch. It's the best feeling when you can actually see the progress. This pattern is easy, fast, and super satisfying, the kind you actually finish. I could see the sweater forming so quickly, and between everything else, I wrapped it up in about a week. And here it is, the finished sweater. I'm so happy with how it turned out, especially since I've never tried this color combo before. What do you guys think?